Hello, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. I'm very excited to have you here because in this video I will share a free website that has over 150,000 monthly visitors, and they pay beginners who have zero technical knowledge, zero experience, and zero website. So they pay these beginners through Bitcoin, through PayPal, or through Amazon gift cards for playing games, for downloading apps, and for using their website for attending surveys and all. So in a moment I will share how to join this website, how to use this website, how to make money, but the best of the best part is we even did a bigger and deeper digging, and we figured a much bigger way to make money using this website. Literally, you can make $1,000 to $5,000 a day if you follow our instructions. But if you do just use them just like other users, you make money just like others. That could depend on how much you are using it, how much game you are playing, how much survey you're attending, or how much apps you're using, or the other things that they offer. All free. They don't need any kind of experience or technical knowledge. That's the best part. But still stick to the end of the video because we will share what we have discovered from our investigation and how the bigger players are making money from this website completely passively. And this is a big money we are talking about, and I told you it's literally $1,000 to $5,000 a day, and that will come with our premium software, 100% free. Links will be in the description, but don't go just now. We will show you how to use them with this website, and that will actually take you there. So you can start making money from today, but at the same time, this policy and this system is awesome, so you can make money long term. So stick to the end of the video so we can reveal everything to you step by step. In a moment, we will share how to sign up to this website, how to use this website, how to make money from this website, and also how to make the big money like the big players. But before that, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way we will notify you instantly when we will upload our next video. Alright guys, we are on the landing page of Reward XP. Super simple. All you have to do is to sign in with Google or sign in with Facebook. No shenanigans of putting your name, your email, and blah and blah and blah. Super simple. I love it. Earn XP points by answering surveys and exploring offers. The offers are nice, video games and apps and all. It's nice. Redeem XP and gift cards and gaming currency. Join our Discord server for giveaways and special events. I'm gonna use one of the buttons and sign up. Let's use sign in with Google and done. Simple, boom. I'm ready to rock and roll. Now on the left hand side you see earn, explore, engage, and the points I earned, level up, redeem. These are the level requirements and bonuses. Once your level is up, you get more reward discount. Now let's come to the survey section. At the moment there are 3 types of surveys available. Now let's go to the offer section, and there are 4 different kinds of offers. The video section, where you make money from watching videos. Yay! Now let's go to explore section, and there are featured, but we're working on getting more offers for you. Okay, games. Now desktop games, Android games, iPhone games, and iPad games. Here is the apps section, Android apps, iPhone apps, and iPad apps. Now let's go to survey section and do a survey on your behalf. So let's click on this one. The survey is open. I love surveys because they're just click, click, and click. So your birth date, you have to select your day, month, and year and click the blue button. Now about you, it's also the gender, where you click the drop down menu and select the option, your zip code, and click submit. Now all these are simply click, select, click, and that's it. When you are done, click the blue submit button and you're on the next page. Then again, all you have to do is click and hit submit. And it's done. Cool stuff. Let's try another one. Unlock your high-paying surveys by creating a market research profile. So first select your date of birth. It's for another company, so you have to do it again. But again, it's just click, select, click. Here is the account overview section, and the right hand side, the referrals. That's what I love the most, because referral means you make money free and it's completely passive. Others do the job, you make the money. Whenever you want to redeem or get your cash, click on the redeem button and you can make money. I mean, you can cash out using PayPal, Bitcoin, Amazon gift card, and all other options they have. So, and now we have seen how to make money using this website. You can download apps, you can use surveys, you can play games to make money from this website, and you can make money to Bitcoin, PayPal, or Amazon gift card. But here is the big money. Look at their analytics. They have 156,000 monthly visitors. It's not a small deal. 150,000 visitors is really big, and they are all tier 1 traffic. They're coming from North America, USA, and South America. And look at their traffic details. They have 50% direct traffic. These are the people who already know them, so they have a regular users, which is awesome. But at the same time, they have search traffic, right? But I was more interested in this tiny little 5% referral traffic. So I went down and wanted to see who are sending them traffic as referral. And I came to see this website, paidfromsurveys.com. Now I know this website. It's a big website, okay? It has almost 300,000 monthly visitors, almost double. So I was thinking, why would they send all this traffic to them to reward XP? So I came to the blog section of paidfromsurveys.com and I found a review on reward XP. So this is the blog post. If you look at the blog post, it's pretty awesome, pretty complete information, and it even has a video. So I even dug deeper. So I went to their channel and I found they have the Paid From Surveys. Company has a channel, and this channel has 85,000 subscribers.
You want to know the fastest?
They have got over 6 million views and 666 videos. Wow, that's not bad at all. And that is why a lot of their traffic come from YouTube. Interesting, right? And from YouTube, when people visit this blog post, from this blog post, they click any of the referral links like here or here, they end up joining this website. So now, what is the big money about? How are they making big money? They made one blog post and they made one video for this. Am I right? And people are continuously visiting through their affiliate link or their referral link to reward XP site. Now my question to you, did paidfromsurveys.com website owner work on surveys, downloading apps, or playing games every day for making money? No. In order to make money, they made a blog post. They made a video, and that blog post and that video are continuously sending referral traffic to this website, and Paid From Surveys website owner is making passive income on continuous basis. So what do we learn from this? In order to make the big money, you need to create content and attract traffic to your content from many different places. You can avoid blog if you don't want. If you love writing, super awesome, link in the description will give you my AI software free. That will help you write faster than anyone else, more precise and highest quality content. But if you are interested in videos just like us, but you hate cameras, no problem at all. You don't like to speak, no problem at all. You don't know how to write scripts or for videos, no problem at all, because our video software, link in the description, will give you videos with everything done for you. The software writes the script for you using AI. The software will give you voice over, and the software will replace you on the camera by importing media files from all over the internet. It can import media from any URL. It can import media from royalty-free websites, and it can import media files from your hard drive. And that's not the most beautiful part. The most beautiful part is it allows you to make videos in small chunks. So when you are ready to work on your video for a few minutes, work on it, make a section, and then save it for later. And then come back later, make another section, save it and come back later. And this way, when you are ready to finish your video, just one click and the software will compile the whole thing and turn into an awesome traffic getting videos. And with one push of a button, it will publish on YouTube and get traffic just like us. By the way, we have recently achieved 13,000 views in last 28 days. And we actually got a lot of views in total, but we're getting more and more and more views from our videos. So we know that YouTube helps a lot. Even if you have 0 subscribers, YouTube helps you get more and more and more traffic. The more views you get, the more views YouTube will send. So you just need videos, and my software, 100% free link in the description, will help you make those videos without you in the camera, without you speaking, or without you writing script. Go get it and use it. Get all the traffic and send all the referral traffic to website like this or websites like this. There are other websites that I talked about in the past and I continuously talk about. Links in the description to those videos. You can send referral traffic to these websites and earn passive referral commission. It's huge. It's really big. So if you really want to make the big money, $1,000 to $5,000 a day, go for it. Go for referral. Go bring your own traffic, send it to your referral links and make referral commissions. So I hope you liked this video. We put a lot of effort on it so you make money from internet. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it and we make sure you make money from our videos. And for that, we even give away our premium softwares 100% free for our viewers. So please support our channel by hitting the like button, subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. Not only you will get free information on how to make money online, you will get our premium softwares free, and you will also get notified when we will upload our next video. And we will see you in the next video.